Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daniel Crane Reacts. I'm, of course, Daniel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's Wednesday, so it's almost the weekend. That's great. Um, and as always, nothing but good karma. Uh, I would like to mention, and I've been mentioning it all the videos today, and I'll probably do it tomorrow too. Uh, about 76% of people that view the channel are not subscribed. And I get it. I get it. I'm one of those that didn't always subscribe either, and still I do that. I find myself doing that, but I try to make sure I do. If I watch a channel, I'm trying to support them now because I understand. Yeah, I'm looking at it from a different side. Um, Mainly, if you subscribe, it just really helps us with the algorithm and gives this community more visibility, their music more visibility, what they're choosing more visibility, and that's kind of what I want. It's not to soup me up or anything. Trust me, I'm just a dude. So it's nothing special. It's the community, it's the music, and that's what makes this channel. So please subscribe. Um, Other than that, keep your requests coming, subscribed or not, doesn't matter. Um, and we're going to keep going with today's request. Now, this one also might have been a little bit late, I think. So I really appreciate your patience, Richard Reyes. Um, Sorry, hold on. These glasses are a little bit darker than I'm used to. Um, that's why I always buy a bunch of joke glasses. In case you guys are ever wondering. That's why the glasses always change. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is Flock of Seagulls, Some Dreams. Um, Evidently, I'm a little bit behind on getting this out there, so I'm not gonna hold it up anymore. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's start rocking.
Some dreams are lost forever. Some dreams never die. Some dreams, they go on forever. Some dreams, they are just a lie. Some dreams, oh some dreams, oh some dreams never die. Some dreams, you wake up happy. Some dreams make you cry. But I will not forget you. My dream will stay alive. Some dreams, oh some dreams, oh some dreams never die. Some dreams, oh some dreams stay alive. Some dreams are lost forever. Some dreams never die. But I will not forget you. My dream will stay alive.
So you know what? I didn't see any info on the date on that. Um, so if that is recent, they sound really good still. Um, and if that's not recent, I've never heard that song. So that was cool. Um, I liked it. It had that total '80s beat going. Um, just yeah, 100% nostalgia, right there. You know, I just that was the feeling I got. Excuse me. I ended up, I almost gave it legend status, but I don't know. Flock Seagull seems like it's right there on the line to be a legend band. Um, they're iconic, but is their music legendary? You know what I mean? So I just went ahead. I was gonna give it a 10 out of 10, but then I thought about it. I took away the legend status, and then I had to take away 1 point because um, there's no way I could sleep to that. I mean, work out to that. I'd fall asleep. So that's the main reason, only reason. Lost 1 point. So 9 out of 10. Uh, awesome song, and like I said, Richard, I'm so sorry it took me so long to get this. Um, last few weeks things have been really crazy for me, so it's just I've been making a lot of mistakes, and I appreciate every one of you that understands that. You know, I'm just a person like you guys, and I don't have like some of these other YouTube channels have editors and everything else. I'm just one guy. It's just me. My wife don't even help me with nothing. So it's all me. Um, yeah. But you guys, you know what? You rock. I'll defend you all the way. Um, do me one favor, please. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Stay cool. Stay hydrated. Check your car for kids and animals. I can't believe we gotta say that still, but I just heard a story on the news a couple days ago. It happened again. Don't do that. Don't do that. Um, yeah. And besides that, if you come on back, I'll catch you on the flip side.